If you want to watch local channels on your smart TV and you don't have a cable TV subscription, you will need a digital antenna, also known as an HDTV antenna. Digital antennas plug directly into your TV. You don't have to install anything on your roof. You can buy a digital antenna from electronic stores or Amazon. They start at about $20. The more expensive antennas have a longer range. If you live in a fairly large city where the local TV station transmitters are close by, a cheaper antenna will probably work fine. If you're in a rural area where the transmitters are farther away, you may need a more expensive antenna. The antenna will have two plugs. One plugs into the port in the back of your TV where you would plug in your cable TV cable. The other plug plugs into an AC power outlet. Here's where my antenna plugs into my TV. This white rectangle, which is the actual antenna, sticks to the wall behind my TV. It's important to remember that if you don't have a cable TV subscription, you must have a digital antenna to receive local channels.